In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust layer opacity in Krita quickly and easily so you can fine-tune your artwork, create transparent effects, and blend layers the way you want. This is one of the most useful basics in Krita, especially if you're working on drawings, digital paintings, or composition projects and need more control over how each layer looks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Krita tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Krita and make sure your artwork is already loaded, or create a new canvas if you want to follow along from scratch. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the Layers panel, which is where all of your individual layers are listed. This panel is important because every layer in your project can be adjusted separately, giving you full control over the final look of your image. Now click on the specific layer you want to change. When you select it, you'll see it highlighted in the Layers docker, which means Krita is now ready to edit that layer. This step is really important because if you don't select the correct layer first, you might end up changing something else by mistake. Once your layer is selected, look at the top of the Layers docker window. You should see the opacity slider box sitting right there above the layer list. This slider controls how visible the selected layer is. If the slider is all the way to the right, the layer is fully visible at 100% opacity. If you move it left, the layer becomes more transparent. To decrease opacity, click and drag the slider bar to the left. As you do this, you'll notice the layer becoming lighter and more see-through. This is great if you want to soften an image, create a subtle overlay, or reduce the strength of a sketch layer underneath your final line art. If you want to make the layer more visible again, simply drag the slider back to the right. Moving it to the right increases opacity and brings the layer back toward full strength. This is useful when you want a stronger color, sharper detail, or a more prominent element in your composition. You can use this opacity adjustment for all kinds of creative work. For example, if you have a rough sketch layer, you can lower the opacity so it doesn't distract from your clean line work. If you're blending multiple images together, you can reduce the opacity of one layer to help it merge naturally with the others. And if you're doing digital painting, opacity control can help you balance highlights, shadows, and texture much more effectively. One of the best things about this method is that it's non-destructive. That means you're not permanently changing the artwork itself, just the way that layer is displayed. So you can always go back and adjust the slider again later if you change your mind. So to quickly recap, go to the Layers panel, select the layer you want, find the opacity slider at the top of the Layers docker, and drag it left or right depending on whether you want to lower or raise the opacity. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple Krita tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.